Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Gourmet. So today's special recipe is chili soyabean. So all of your soyabean, which is a rich source of protein, we are going to prepare it in a different way. So the ingredients are soyabean boiled 1 bowl, chopped onions 2 large size, garlic chopped 18 to 20 cloves, salt according to your taste, soya sauce 6 tablespoons, chili sauce 4 teaspoon, tomato ketchup 4 tablespoon, vinegar 4 teaspoon, corn flour 2 tablespoon soaked in 4 tablespoon of water, capsicum diced 1 medium sized. Let's see how we are going to prepare it. Put the pan on the oven and add 8 tablespoon of white oil in it. Let it get warm. As it becomes warm, add the chopped onions. It is diced onion. Next you add the chopped garlic. Mix these two well enough and saute for approximately 2 minutes. As the onion turns translucent, you can see, next add the chopped tomatoes in it. Mix it well. Then you add the chopped green chilies. It is actually slitted green chilies. Again mix it well. Then add the grated ginger, approximately 1 teaspoon. Add the grated ginger and mix it well. After mixing, you add on the soya sauce. Then add the vinegar and add on the tomato ketchup. Now you add the chili sauce also. After adding all the sauces, mix the ingredients well enough and add salt according to your taste. After adding the salt, mix the ingredients and along with the salt well enough, and when it starts boiling, you add the soyabean in it. Add the soyabean and mix it well. And now you add 1 cup of water. It's better to add lukewarm water. Now cook covered for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, as you can see that the water is boiling, you add the diced capsicum and mix well. Then add the corn flour which was soaked in water and mix it well. Now as you can see that the gravy has started to be thickened, you add 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto. That is optional. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, you may not add also. Well and keep it covered for 5 minutes, and you can serve it hot with roti, paratha, rice or anything. Thank you for watching. If you like my recipes, please like, share, subscribe and comment my YouTube channel. Please share it with your friends and family. Thank you.